Yan ang gawin. Hindi na lang magiging ano, itinan mo. Oo, tanggal na lang. Ano, hairpin?
Dito lang ba? Thank you.
Service more. Dito po. Parents po.
Okay.
Parents muna.
Right then.
In English. Candidates for Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Mathematics. Candidates for Bachelor of Science in Business Administration major in Marketing Management. Candidates for Bachelor of Science in Psychology. Candidates for Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System. And candidates for Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Ladies and gentlemen, let us also welcome the faculty members of the college department. For Administration, Ms. Reka L. Nahar. We also have one of the Board of Trustees of Woodland College, Attorney Charlton Romero. And ladies and gentlemen, we welcome the President of Woodland College, Mr. Vicente R. Hauchin Jr. May I request everyone to stand up for our Philippine National Anthem to be led by Ms. Hart Trinidad, a BS.
During this special event and all the time. A pleasant day to one and all. You may now slowly open your eyes.
Beginning. Congratulations to the class of 2024. Here's to our bright futures and all the amazing things to come. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That's just the first program out of 7 programs. Here in Woodland College, we ask the students that graduate to speak one by one.
The neighbors are. I did not feel alone here in my whole 3 years.
Just to be here. Thank you very much, our alumni. And speaking of alumni, I also would like to inform you that we had 100% passing rate in the recent licensure examination for teachers sa ating mga ETOP dyan. So we are very happy to announce that, and hopefully for the next years to come, we'll still have 100%. Pleasure ba? Okay, so where are we? To stand and approach their parents for the honoring of parents.
Sayang. Sinabi yung pangalan niya, yun ang importante, no?
Sir, pwede ba pakiulit ulit?
Ano kang tayo?
Sir, pwede pakiulit ulit?
Ay, babato na nila.
Duduling ako. Si Ake Boy.
Baba.
No. Pang-apat sa taas.
Gusto mo sabihan
Ayun,
ko?
ako po.
Sir, pwede ba pakiulit ulit?
Siya yun eh. Yan, nagtago yung ano. Utang gandun lang ah. Yan. Nakikita ko na yan. Si Ake, di ba?
Baba. Ha?
Ano mukha nang yung alas makakita?
Ako rin.
Nasutuloy.
Ako din, I can see.
Tinakpan eh.
Kaya nga,
Natakpan siya eh. Ay, umalis ka rito, sabi. Sabi.
Ayun po, nasa akin. Ikaw
Sa dulo? You see?
Ayun. Sa likod, pangalawa sa dulo. Ito pala, hindi kala ko si Aki yung
Akala ko. Papa, you can go down na lang. Sige.
katabi niya yung Bombay.
Hereby pledge to uphold the vision, mission, and philosophy of my alma mater, Golden Link College, by becoming the best that I can possibly be through the further discovery of my potentials and the development of my capabilities by living a life of selfless service to humanity and by contributing to the development of a world that is peaceful, just, happy, and free. Congratulations and welcome to Golden Link College Alumni Association.
Thank you, Teacher Louise. You may now be seated.
Nakakangawit to. Malinaw ba? Malinaw? Oo, malinaw ah. Bakit blur yan? Malinaw yan. Malinaw ba? Malinaw ah. Ulit-ulit lang pala. Let's cherish the moment. Pinupost ba niya ako yan? Oo.
Pati yung tuk-tuk siya.
Pero ang galing din, no? Nagpo-post ka ng ganyan. Tapos inaano ng eskwela, no? Pati tugtog si Aki Boy. Lahat? Pati lyrics, ayaw na mag-isa? Mahirap din niya, ikaw mag-o tapos tatawa lang yun. Agis na. Ay, lapa.
Congratulations, our dear friends. Please stay on your positions as we will now proceed to the picture taking. Please, for our volunteers, please put the chairs here in front, and may we request our express our gratitude for this milestone of our dear candidates for graduation. Our GLC choir, composed of selected third-year college students, will present a song presentation. This will be led by our college faculty member, Mr. Julien Tundia. Let us give them a round of applause.
Sa dalan na.
Rona May Tamparo.
Ayun na.
Hard. Alright, this is the end of our commencement exercises. Thank you very much. Ayan, picture na po tayo. Again, congratulations, dear graduates. Alright. Then, the graduates.
Ngayon, magkakagawa na ng baby.
Picture lang, kayo lang. Okay, sige. Volunteers, let's remove the chairs.
Waki.
And please stay. Can we request now the teachers to please come with us?
Aki boy! Hindi mo binibidyo.
Showing me my emotions, letting me know what to feel. But what is not what I got more than I ever hoped for. And a lot of what I hoped for is thanks to you.
sila ano, mga pizza mo. Pero pa ba?
Thanks to you.
1-0.